percentage chapter 1 once again, and we are going to discuss some advanced example in part number 4 of the percentage. Let's say one number, first it is increased by 20% and then again it is increased by 20%. If we deduct the increased value of a number, then how much percentage is it equal to the original value? So here what is going to happen? First time it is increased by 20% and then again it is increased by 20%. So two events are happening one after other. So we have to use the AB formula. AB formula is net percentage change is AB, A plus B plus A into B divided by 100 in the percentage sign. So first it is increased by 20% and we have to use plus sign because it is increased by 20%, and 20 into 20 divided by 100 it is 4%. So 40% plus 4% it is 44%. Now if the number is increased by 44%, then how much it should be decreased so that it will be equal to its original value? Now here you have to bring it to the original value. So if it is increasing, then you have to put plus sign. So 44, 100 plus 44, so it is 44 divided by 144. So it is 275% divided by 9. So it is 330 into 5 upon 9 percentage. There is 250 liter kerosene in a drum. 5% kerosene is leaked from it. So let's say 250 is equal to 100% kerosene and 5% it is leaked. So now what is remaining? It is 95% remaining. So and it is asking how much percentage. They are not asking how much kerosene. They are asking how much percentage. So it is asked in a percentage, so it is 95% remaining. If it is asked how much, then you have to find out 95% of 250. The ball jumped from the ground after falling from 10 meters height. So let's say this is the height, which is 10 meter, and a ball is coming from here and it is going down on the ground, and from the ground it bounced back to 80% up to here. That is 80%. 20% reduce means 80% it is going up. So how much it goes up? So this is 10 meter and 80% of 10 meters is 8 meter. So it will go to the 8 meter. Atul's income is 5%, which is equal to 15% of the Asa's income. So Atul income is 5%, Asa income is 15%. And Asa's 10% income is equal to 20% of Lata's income. So first we will see the ratio between Atul and Asa's. So it is 5:15. 5:15. It means you can write 1 into 3 because 5 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. So it is 1:3. So Atul income and Asa's income is 1:3. Second, Asa's income and Lata's income. Asa's 10% equal to Lata's 20% income. It means Asa is 1:2. Now Atul and Asa is 3:1 and Asa and Lata is 2:1. You have to balance Asa. So it means here there should be the same value. So if I want to bring 2 here, then I have to multiply the entire thing by 2, and here it is 2 already, so I have to multiply with 1. If you multiply with 1, the value will not change. So 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 1 it is 2, 2 into 1 it is 2, and 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 6 into 2 into 1. So 6 into 2 into 1 is equal to 9, and 2000 is the income. So 9 is the total income. So 18,000 is the total income. The summation of Anju's and Siddharth's salary is rupees 2,000. So when I add Anju's income and Siddharth's income, then it is called summation, and that summation is 2,000. If Anju spends 95% of her income and Siddharth spends 85% of his income, then savings of both are same. So let us assume A is the income. So X is the income of Anju is equal to 200 minus A. So 200 minus A into 5% because 95% of income, and Siddharth 85% means remaining will be 15% is the saving. So 200 minus A is equal to 3A. So 4A is equal to 2000. So A is equal to 2000 divided by 4. So A is equal to 500, and Y's salary or Siddharth's salary is 500 and Anju's salary is 2000. The summation of two numbers is 4000. 10% of the first number is equal to 6.4% of the second number. Now let's say 6.4 is equal to 6 into 2/5. So it is 32/5. Then when you are 6 into 2/5 income. So first income is 10% and second income is 20% divided by 3. So when you divide 20 by 3, it is going to be 2 and 6 into 2/5. So it is going to be 2, here it is 2 and here it is 3. So is equal to 5, and real is 4000. So 5 is equal to 4000, 2 is how much? So that comes to 1600. Now we already found about the 2, now we have to find about the 3, and 3 is going to be 2400. So the difference is the saving, that is 800. If Rajesh gives a discount of 30%, then the price of the toy will be reduced by rupees 30. So 30% discount is given by Rajesh and the price is reduced by 30 rupees. So after giving discount, what remains is 70%. So what is 70% of the value? It is rupees 70. If two numbers are 12 and a half, 5%, remember 12 and 5% is equal to 1/2, 1 upon 8, and 25%. More than the third number. So third number you have to assume it is 100. First number is more than 12.5, then the third. So it is 100 plus 12.5%. That comes to 112.5. And second number is 25% more. So 100 plus 25%. That is 125. Now, how is the first number is equal to the second number? So first number is 112.5, second number is 125, and divided by 100%. So here we are completing the part 4. Now we are going to start part number 5.